We will search how to buy shares of American Vanguard Corporation and show the basic steps for a retail investor to locate the company. The firm manufactures crop protection and specialty chemicals. It is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker AVD. And this video is for educational purposes only, not investment advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will normally have to verify your identity with an ID document and add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AVD to find the company listing. Make sure to select the result that corresponds to American Vanguard Corporation on NASDAQ. On the stock page, review the company overview and the price chart to see recent movement and basic facts. Confirm the page shows American Vanguard Corporation with ticker AVD before you continue. Click the Investor Buy button, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm to submit the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next open session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing the purchase. Once the trade executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.